Welcome to English 6, a visit to a school. And today we are going to learn lesson 1, getting started. A visit to Bình Minh Lower Secondary School. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify the topics of the unit, use lexical items, school activity, identify the language feature that's covered in the unit. And this is the aim of the study, to introduce the topic to lead the new lesson. And now first we move to warm up activity. Now to do this activity, I want you read 3 questions and then answer. Question number 1. What did you see when you first came to our school? Question number 2. How did you feel? And question number 3 is, have you ever had a visit to Tuvan An Lower Secondary School or famous school in your area? Now it's time for you to answer 3 questions. Okay, now we move to activity. Now look at the picture. We have 2 people in the picture. Now look at this and answer, what is the girl doing? And what are they talking about? Try to guess and answer. Before you are going to read the dialogues, I want you to know some vocabulary. The first, now look at this, and we have lower secondary school. Lower secondary school. What is the mean of the lower secondary school? Yes, it means trường trung học cơ sở. The next word, now look at this, member. 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 Member, what does it mean? Yes, that is thành viên. Look at this. Remind. 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 Remind, what does it mean? Gợi nhớ, nhắc nhở. Now, let's review the new work. Listen and repeat after me. Lower secondary school. Lower secondary school. Member. Member. Remind. Remind. Okay, now we move to activity 1. Listen and read. Now you listen to the dialogue between Phong and me. Then do a request. Now listen carefully. Alright, now let's move to activity 2. Read the conversation again and answer the question by circling A, B, or C. Number 1. What are they talking about? Yes, they're talking about a visit to a school. And you can give the clue. What are you doing, miss? I'm preparing to Bình Minh Lower Secondary School. Question number 2. Who is going to visit the school? Okay, that's me and her teacher and her classmate. And the clue, South Ray. I think that's one of the best school in my neighborhood. Who is going with you and when? Me, my teacher and my classmate. We are going in the afternoon. So we can see my teacher and my classmate the correct answer. Where is the school? Question number 3, where is the school? Now the answer in Phong neighborhood. And the glow, South Ray, Phong Shay, South Rays. I think that's one of the best school in my neighborhood. We going with you and when? Number 4, when are you going? Yes, they are going in the afternoon. In the afternoon. And this is the clue. We're going to the afternoon. Now let's move to activity 3. Name the places using the word embraces from the book. Now look at the picture and then name the places. Try to remember. the work we have learned. Okay, the answer number one is dream. The second picture is computer room, and the third picture is school garden. Yes, the fourth picture has playground, and the final we have the work school library. Now, activity 4. Complete the following sentences with the word in the box. Now, and the other word: computer room, school library, school garden, playground, dream, and the other five. We have 5 sentences. Now you read all 5 sentences carefully and find out the suitable word, then complete. 2 minutes for you work individually. Okay, the answer number one is playground. The second we have computer room, and the third gym, the fourth school library, and the finally school garden. Sentence number one, the school playground is very small, so not many children can play in it. And sentence number two, we learn how to use internet in the computer room twice a week. Sentence number three, they have school meeting in the gym when it's rain. Sentence number four, there are lots of books, magazine, and newspaper in the school library. And sentence number five, our class usually water the vegetable in the school garden on dry afternoon. Okay, now copy down in the exercise book. Now let's move to activity 5. Work in pair. Ask and answer question about next timetable using when and where. Now look at the table, and this is timetable. The first column is subject, the second column is time, and the third is play. For example, student A, student B. Student A asks, when the next have math? And in this sentence, in this question, fit for you, when. Now look at the timetable. It's math. Now time. At 8 a.m. on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And student A is asked again, and where there is have. You can look at the table and this answer. For example, math, play classroom, room 203. And student B answer, in his classroom, room 202. And now it's time for you to practice in pair. Ask and answer question about next timetable. Remember using when and where. Okay, in this lesson, try to remember the topics of the unit, that is a visit to a school, and some vocabulary about school facility. At home,